All right, y'all. We are back at the apartment complex. There is 2 more systems that are not cooling properly. So we're gonna go over here and see what we can do for them. System is plugged up 100%, cannot breathe. Therefore, the house is gonna get hotter and hotter and hotter. The coil is gonna start freezing. TXV is gonna fail. Condenser, this evaporative coil.
Remember how I was telling you about the green? It's already there.
Well, that could be one reason.
I gotta get this Black Widow out of there.
Oh, this is scary because it's a huge one. Ain't getting near here, Mr. Spider. Oh! No, 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 no. This shirt is getting burned as soon as I go home.